The VARROX Evaporator is used in broodless colonies in November or December. VARROX Evaporator has a power of 150 watts. As a current source, a 12-volt car battery with more than 40 ampere-hours capacity may be used. When working with oxalic acid and the VARROX Evaporator, wear protective mask FFP3, safety glasses, gloves and protective clothes. Do not carry out treatment during heavy bee flight. The outside temperature for treatment should be above 4 degrees Celsius. Add the appropriate amount of oxalic acid dehydrate for the VARROX Evaporator. Depending on the hive size, 1 or 2 measuring spoons are required. The measuring spoon is included with each VARROX Evaporator. Slide the VARROX Evaporator through the flight opening underneath the bees until the support plate disappears. Seal the entire flight opening with damp foam strips or a cloth. Close or seal the inspection tray or any other opening. Connect the VARROX Evaporator to the car battery for 2.5 minutes. Before the device is taken out of the hive, the unplugged VARROX Evaporator remains in the closed hive for an additional 2 minutes, so that the oxalic acid vapor can settle. After removal of the evaporator, the flight opening is closed again and kept sealed for a further 10 minutes. Prior to the next filling, cool the VARROX Evaporator in a bucket of water so that the next evaporation doesn't start too soon.